In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email subject in DocuSign. To get started, log into your DocuSign account and click Start. This is where you begin creating a new sending workflow. From there, choose Envelope. An envelope in DocuSign is the package that includes your document, the recipient details, and the email settings that go along with the signature request. Next, select Get Signatures. This option is used when you want to send a document out for someone to review and sign. Once you're in the envelope setup area, upload the document you want to send for signing. Make sure you're choosing the correct file, since this is the version your recipient will receive. After that, add the recipient by entering their name and email address. Double check the email address before moving on, because this is where the signing request will be sent. In the same section where you're adding the document and recipient, look for the Add Message area. This section is important because it's where you can customize what the recipient sees in the email notification. Inside Add Message, find the subject field. This is the email subject line that appears in the recipient's inbox. Replace the existing subject with the one you want to use. Try to make it clear and specific so the recipient immediately understands what the document is about. A good subject line can help your email look more professional and improve the chances of it being opened quickly. Once you've changed the subject, enter your message in the message box. Keep your message short, polite, and informative. This is a good place to explain what the document is for, or mention any deadline the recipient should know about. When that's done, click. Next, to continue to the document preparation screen. Here, add the required fields to the document, such as signature, date, or any other information that needs to be completed. Be sure to assign each field to the correct recipient so everything routes properly. Before sending, take a moment to review the entire envelope. Check the document, the recipient details, the email subject, the message, and all the fields you've added. This final review helps prevent mistakes and ensures your recipient gets a clean, accurate request. Once everything looks right, click Send to send the envelope with your customized email subject. And that's it. Your DocuSign email subject has been successfully changed before sending. Thanks for watching.